Another useful tool here is a knife tool. You can cut curves and shapes with this tool. Select our shapes, for example, here, and a simple curve here. And then you can activate knife, and we have a few settings here for knife. Option, straight line first. Select it. You just click and drag and then release. You can select the cut. Before cutting object, you have to once click on it to select it. Don't forget. Click and drag, and you can choose your straight line. Or if you want to a specific angle, holding shift, it's 45 degree, and then release your mouse. Now, as you can see, we have two objects are separate. You can go to select object, node tool, select object, and then you can cut them in two pieces. This is first thing. Or you can turn off this, and with a stabilizer, I explained the stabilizer in rope stabilizer or window in a previous lesson in these tools. Then you can hold, click and drag, and draw something like this to cut your object. And then with the node tool, with the selection tool, you can cut this object. Interesting. And cut. You can automatically close curves inside. For example, you draw something like this, and it just cut it here. If you go into the node tool, you can see it's a simple cut. Nice. It's cutting object like this. Interesting. And then going to the knife again. In this time, I activate auto close. If you don't finish your curve, it automatically close it for you. And then you can, with the selection tool, you can cut it through. Or it's simple. You can cut the curves if you want. Cut the curve. This, something like this. Another tool, if you going mouse over a line, change to scissor tool. The scissor tool is for cutting tool at these points. For example, just with one click, you don't need to click and drag it. Going to the node tool, as you can see, we cut the point from here. That's it. Okay, knife tool. These are stabilizer lengths, and you can control it if you want. So you learn how to cut these objects. And another thing that I want to explain in next lesson is we need to cut tool to explain it. Going to window. No, in a view, yeah, customize toolbar, and I want to explain these geometry tool that it's all about curve, merge curve, separate curve, fill holes, and remove inner curves. These are geometry tools that you can click and drag it here. Next lesson, going to the next lesson. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.